Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate logos instantly with AI or using AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva app. This is the desktop version, so you can get this app for free, download for free and install in your system. Don't forget to sign in or sign up with your account. So by click apps and click AI powered, and then you can scroll down, then try to find logo master. So here you can create unique logos with AI in seconds. You can create professional logo by turning text into custom design in seconds. So you can click to use in new design and click whiteboard, and here for practice you can generate with example here, like logo for burger shop, burger food. You can turn this on to optimize prompt with AI, then click generate. This way this can take a few moments, and this is the result. There are two designs that you can try here. So here, you even if you double click, you can edit the aspect ratio, or you can expand, but you need to join Pro. So here, feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.